is gonna be very, very good for you. Okay, as you can see, 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 as you can see the chart. This is the USD JPY chart on a kind of 1 hour time frame. Okay. Show you some little things a day doing as a day trader. Then it depends on what kind of day trader are you also. If you will see this chart, you will see this is a USD JPY which is doing some kind of zigzag moves up and down, up and down. As a beginner, you might say, okay, maybe you're going where it's going, but I'm gonna show you something. Look left, look left, look left, look left on your chart. When I say look left, I mean look the trend that happened a day before. This is the 1 hour time frame. Do this thing now. Look at this zone. I want to put a line on how to mark your chart. I'll put a line here. It's a neckline. It's a neckline on what happened yesterday, previously. That's why you need to always look left on your chart. Then look at this high. I'll put a line here on this high, but I will put it here because I have a kind of take profit on some entry. Let me put it here. Just know that I put it above. I just put it above, above a range right here. This is what I capture. This thing is what I capture. Neckline, and then the top of the neckline. Now, what is the idea behind this? Let's say up and I'm looking at what am I gonna do today. So I have looked left on my chart. I look left. What happened yesterday? Then I have seen a kind of neckline, and I put a line on the neckline, and I put another one above the neckline. Now, what is this strategy all about? It is all about, as this one now starts going up, if I have to put a kind of trend line that, okay, the current moves here is that this is heading up. Sorry if my trend line is not good. It's because I have entry in and I don't want to, disturb my entry, but I'm just showing you the idea of what you should do as a day trader. Now, this is going up. Yesterday, we captured the moves on the left. Okay? Good. It came down. It has done a neckline. We put a line on the under the neckline and above the neckline, and this is going up. So what does this two line mean? Top of this, 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 top of this neckline. It is a buy. The buyers has come in and will be ready to buy. This strategy, I will do more video about it. Not now. If we have to go and take a look again of something, this is another one. This is neckline, and then this is neckline top, and the neckline low was broken and it rallied down. All right? Okay. Now, there was a buy moves that happened after this down here. There was a buy moves that happened. Now, let's look left. We have a neckline somewhere. All you got to do is identify the neckline. This is neckline. We have neckline here. So we have the low of the neckline, we have the neckline, the low of the neckline. What does this mean? If the low of this neckline is broken, it means the sellers have come in, we are going down. But if the high of this neckline, like this one now look, now has dive out of the neckline, that is why it is going up. Do you see it? That is how you trade as a day trader using neckline. But you must always look at the left of the previous day, left of your chart. Look, plan the trade ahead. This is neckline. This is neckline of yesterday. Now, this is the neckline of yesterday. Let's put something, a line on it. Now, and the idea, if this top is broken, then the buyers have come in, then we will join the buy immediately. Okay? But this is just little tip for you. But let us go and say about these moves you see. Having idea of the neckline and how to draw the neckline is good, but all these moves up, down, up, which it will get somewhere and come down. How do they form? How are you going to trade it as a day trader? This is why I always recommend you have something called support resistance line. You know, let's bring it out. I will put the link of this support resistance line, you know, under this video. Someday I'm still doing something about it. Once I'm done, you will begin to see the link in all my video. Let's say now we bring this support resistance tool. Okay, and I always recommend, something support resistance. And then you need to allow all the alerts. Okay, but except the email, I don't always accept, because this will signal your broker that you are using something, and your broker might begin to log into your account and do shit on your own on your own settings, which is not okay. So I just recommend the 100 support resistance interval, audible alert, okay, and push notification, okay. Now, yeah, so this is the support resistance, which has helped you to capture the top of what happened yesterday on the left. Now, you have seen it, it's going up. Now, if you have idea that it started going up, what should you do? As a day trader, what are you going to do? Okay? Definitely you should have idea that it has gone down yesterday, and then today it has turned around and going up. So you should have idea that it is either going to go retouch this top resistance. Okay, that is why if you buy, your take profit must be there, this top resistance. Okay. So how will you now know if it is a buy trend or not, as you have put your support as this trend is going up now, it's just going to go touch this support resistance line, and then you will have your own alert from that support resistance, which signifies your own exit. or which tells you that it take profit and pull out our own loud, 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 our own moving average, which is the moving average. Let's do moving average. Let's say as a day trader, first of all, because I want to try this, I want to see this thing, how you try, okay, how you play with your moving averages. They do different kind of jobs, okay. Now this is 30, okay. Now if you are using the moving average 30 as a kind of day trader, okay, as this thing is bouncing above the 30 moving average, you should know that this is a buy. And where is it going as a buy? It is going to go and touch this support resistance line top. That is where you will exit as a day trader. Now see, here it touches the support, it bounces on the 30 MA. As a day trader, you pick it up as a buy, put your own exit at this resistance top. It got there, you get out. Wait for the next setup. What is the next setup? It will go down. It bounced below the 30. Now where is it going? Okay, put your own TP around this support line. It get there, you get the fuck out. This is 30. Intraday trader or a day trader, as a forex trader, I recommend the 30 moving average, simple moving average. If I use 20, you see, the lower the moving average, the much noise you're gonna hear. But maybe 20 is all, man. Okay, better, man. Okay, okay, 20 could be more better. Okay, 20 could be more better. Okay, but one thing about 20 is look at the pullback. Some beginner trader now we think this one is going down because it has come below the 20, but this is just a pullback giving you a very good entry. Okay, but the moving average 30 will never do this one. That means the moving average 30 is more accurate. Okay, but if you are a professional trader that really understand that this is just a pullback to the 20, then you use this pullback to get in. Okay, now look at this. It came out of the 20 after hitting the support resistance line, then it goes back down, right? Get your profit around the support. Now it bounced above the 20, right? Now where is it going? Get your TP, your profit, on previous resistance on the left, because on the left that generate this resistance line, that is where this moves right now is going. This is why I tell you guys that when I recommend something for you, use it. When I recommend support resistance line, use it. When I recommend moving average for you, use it. Do not go and start using what I did not even recommend, because if it's confusing you how to address your mistake, because you are using something different from what I am showing you. Look at something, because I don't want to complicate anything. Look at this shape, average, this moving average. It came down, it's going up. Now this is a W shape. A W shape is telling you that when this moving average gets somewhere to the top, it will shoot back down. It will shoot back down. A W shape, that is harmonics. This moves you see here going up is the okay, which means it might even break this, which will conclude the final leg formation of harmonics W shape. But all I recommend is get your own TP on that resistance and go and wait for because level, because you know it's going next. Now the next level will be going down, so you can go get your profit right while it's going up, and then still make your profit while it's going down. So how would you know if this up is complete and it is going down? That means it will dive below this 20 moving average after touching this top, this support resistance top. See, of course, that's what it is. Because that support resistance, your activities inside this support resistance. Okay? That is where your own activity. So this is a very good video with a vital information. Watch it, appreciate it, and put your own question in the comment section. This is for you if you are trying to be a kind of a day trader. But if you need the support resistance link, you know, I will just put the link under, you know, all my videos when I'm done with what I'm doing with it, okay? So that you guys can, you know, have a, a, a okay, just this moving average and the support resistance is enough for this strategy to work. But from the moving average, right, in order for you not to be sitting in front of your chart waiting for the moving average cross where price has crossed it, yeah, you need to find a kind of entry that can show you that the price moving average 20 crossing moving average 20, crossing moving average 20, you know, when it's touching support resistance zone, it will give you signal, then you come and pen your order opposite. But for now, this is the little information we got for you. And give this video thumbs up, love it, like it, share it, and then join the membership of this channel. Use the join button. The channel the channel the channel the channel the channel is all about forex and forex news, and sometimes we just show lifestyle of what we do in Japan, anywhere we go. So free to watch and like.